Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Sky blue color, orange color, red color, purple color, yellow color and pink color. Now let's learn the alphabet A to Z and numbers counting 1 to 10. First, A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Next, B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Next, C for car. C for car. Next, D for dolphin. D for dolphin. Next, E for elephant. E for elephant. Next, F for fish. F for fish. Next, G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Next kids, H for house. H for house. Next kids, I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Next, J for jam. J for jam. Next, K for king. K for king. Next, L for lion. L for lion. Next, M for moon. M for moon. Next kids, N for nest. N for nest. Next kids, O for octopus. O for octopus. Next kids, P for parrot. P for parrot. Next kids, Q for queen. Q for queen. Next kids, R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Next kids, S for sun. S for sun. Next kids, T for time. T for time. Next kids, U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Next, V for van. V for van. Next, W for water. W for water. Next kids, X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Next, Y for York. Y for York. Next, Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Now let's learn the numbers. Number 1. Next, number 2. Next kids, number 3. Next, number 4. Next kids, number 5. Next, number 6. Next kids, number 7. Next, number 8. Next kids, number 9. Next, 1, 0, 10. Number 10. What we learn? We learn A for aeroplane, B for butterfly, C for car, D for dolphin, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for time, U for umbrella, V for van, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yolk, and Z for zebra. Now the numbers counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye.